Hi guys, in today's video I will be doing some pink and gold Barbie nails, and also I will be reviewing Beetle's pink reflective gel polish, and also I got a new top coat that I will be sharing with you guys later on in the video. So let's get started. In this video I will be using my Model Ones pink acrylic. I don't know the number of it. When I tried to find it on their website and stuff like that, the number that was on a jar that I had didn't really correspond with the numbers that was coming up in their system, so I don't know what's going on with that. But it's kind of a bright pink, neon pink kind of color, so you could probably find another one online that looks similar to it. And then I'm using my Alpha brush, which is on its last legs. It is dying. I really need to get another one. And I'm using Kiara Sky Monomer. And with this set, I was not mentally there while making them. I was very sloppy with the acrylic and with shaping and filing because my rabbit had died the day before I made this set. And so I was all in my feelings and emotions, and I was just over it, but I still wanted to do the set, so I might redo them in the future. But yeah, I was just not there emotionally while making this set. I didn't really care. I was just doing them. I wasn't really into it. I'm fine now. I had a couple of days to process it. Looking back, I wish I would have just waited on making the set till I felt better, but I didn't, and I can't go back in the past. But I might redo this set and make it better. Okay, so here I'm going to marble the nail. So I did the base layer in clear, and then I took small beads of the pink and randomly placed them around the nail, and then I took small beads of the clear and placed them next to the pink and swirled them together to kind of get the marble effect. Okay, so now I'm picking out the drill that I want to use to make the French tip and to cut out around the acrylic, and now I am using a pencil to kind of draw the French tip to make sure, you know, I get the shape that I want. And I am using the drill around like 25,000 RPMs. For this nail, which is the thumb, I'm going to be doing a clear tip with gold foils in it. And, you know, I broke up the little foils into small pieces. Well, they're not that small. I wanted them to be a little bit big. But I broke them up and I used the brush. I put a little bit of monomer on it and I picked up the foil. And then I encapsulated it with Young Nails clear acrylic. So I thought I wanted to do a gold foil outline, but instead I ended up making my own gel polish using gold mica powder and clear gel top coat, and I just used that and I outlined around the nail, as you can tell. And yeah, if y'all want a video on how I use mica powder to make my own polygel, gel, even acrylic, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so here I have a little treat. So I zoomed in and I turned the flash on. I turned off all the lights so that you guys could see the reflective poly gel. Sorry if I'm zooming in and out a lot. It's just because I'm going to use this clip for social media and all that stuff. So I want to make sure that I got up really close. And so I did it vertically instead of horizontally, so it will look weird on here, but I did want you guys to see how it looked with the reflective gel polish under the flash. So yeah, this is the Beetles pink reflective gel polish. I will have the links to everything in the description. Okay, so here's my little mini review of this polish. It's pretty chunky, I will say that, which was kind of to be expected because it's packed with glitter and everything like that. But in general, would I buy it again? No, just because I feel like reflective gel polishes are pretty unrealistic because they're pretty much just regular glitter polishes, except that when you flash your phone flashlight on them, they sparkle, which most people don't live their everyday lives having their hands under a flashlight. So it's kind of unrealistic to, pay a little bit more money for a gel polish just for it to only sparkle in under a flashlight. Like, that's kind of unrealistic. But overall, the polish is super cute. But again, I just think after trying it out, it's kind of unrealistic. I'd rather just get regular glitter polish or make my own glitter polish versus paying extra for something that's only gonna sparkle more under a flashlight. So anyway, here I'm just taking the gold polish that I made and outlining this nail, which is the pinky, and then the next nail, which is the middle finger. Okay, so I bought these gold letter nail charms that have little itty bitty rhinestones on the side, and I'm just gonna spell out Barbie on the nail. This is the Postcard nail rhinestone glue. So this pretty much concludes the video. The top coat I am currently using is Gotti's Nails. It is the best top coat I have ever used. I will have the link down in the description. Please go check them out. Anyway, this set took me about 3 hours to do. You will see the final reveal shots very soon. And like this video, comment down below, and subscribe.